Hi everyone! Today we're looking at the word big. Big. Wow, we have a lot of words on this page. Can you find the bigs that are written on this page? I'll give you a few seconds. How many can you see? Did you count 5? If you did, you're right. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bigs on this page. Okay, so listen very carefully. As I touch the word, I'm going to read each word for you. Okay, listen carefully. Here we go. I like to go to the park. I can see a big slide. Can you see the big slide? I can see the big swings. Can you see the big swings? All right, so this is what we're reading today. The first thing I'd like you to do is to take your highlighter and make a big circle around the word big and find each word big and make a circle. That way you know to recognize that word when we get to it. All right. Here we go. So I'm going to start by reading. I'm going to read all the words, except when I get to the word big, I'm going to be quiet so that you can say it yourself. Ready? Here we go. I like to go to the park. I can see a slide. Can you see the slide? I can see the swings. Can you see the swings? Did you do it? Good work. Color in that first happy face. All right, the second time around, what we're going to do is I will read this sentence, but you're going to read, I can see a big, and I will help you with slide. And I will help you with this question. You will read, I can see the big, and I will help you with swings, and I will help you with this question, okay? So we're going to start just by reading the I can see statements because you should be able to recognize those words by now. So here we go. I like to go to the park. Slide. Can you see the big slide? Swings. Can you see the big swings? How'd you do? I think you did really well. Color in that happy face. Okay, so this time round, I will read again this sentence. You're going to read all of this by yourself, including the word slide, so you have to look at this picture. I will help you with a question, and you're going to read all this sentence, and I will help you with this question. Okay, here we go. I like to go to the park. Can you see the big slide? Can you see the big swings? Good work. Color in that second happy face. You're doing a really good job. All right, this time round, what we're going to do is you're going to read with me because I know you recognize this word, this word. You should be able to recognize all these words. This one says park. So what we're going to do is you're going to read the first sentence, the second sentence, and I will help you with the third. You'll read the fourth, and I will help you with the fifth. Okay? Here we go. Can you see the big slide? you see the big swings? How'd you do? I think you did really well. Color in your happy face. Okay, so this time round, I also know you can recognize. Can you see the? So I will only say big slide. And here I will say big swings. All the other words you should be able to recognize by now. So here we go. Big slide. Big swings. All right, color that happy face. Now we're at the point where you're going to be able to read the entire text by yourself. So we have 2 more happy faces to do. Let's go ahead and try. I'm sure you'll be able to do it. Here we go. How'd you do? Did you read it? I hope so. Good work. Color that happy face if you did. All right, last time. Let's go through it together, nice and slow. How'd you do? Did you do it all by yourself? Good work. Color that happy face. Okay, so at this point, you've read all your words. And we're going to take our pencil. And this is a point where you get to choose which sentence you like to write about. I think I'm going to find a sentence that has the word big. So I am going to write, I can see a big slide. I would choose that sentence, and I'm going to go down here. And I'll write, I can see a big slide. And then I can make the picture of the slide right here. Okay? So lastly, I'm going to take my finger once more, and I'm going to read for you in a natural tone, so a natural pace, so that you can hear what it sounds like to read at a natural pace. So here we go. I like to go to the park. I can see a big slide. Can you see the big slide? I can see the big swings. Can you see the big swings? All right, thanks for joining me. Can't wait to see you next time. Bye-bye.